Are you facing same problem that TikTok not suggesting your videos to others or on for you page? Then in this video I will guide you how you can upload your videos or adjust your TikTok account settings so that your videos go to most people out there. So for that, just open your TikTok app on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now in your profile at the top right side, click on these three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Now here, click on this privacy options, scroll down, and here you can see suggest your account to others. Click on this one. Now here these are the three most important settings. You have to turn on both of these: contacts, Facebook friends, people who open or send links to you. Just enable all these. Now TikTok will suggest your videos to your contact list, your Facebook friends and other peoples. Also, click on this Scenic contacts and Facebook friends, and you have to sync your contacts with your Facebook. You have to turn on both these options too. So after doing these settings, now TikTok will suggest your videos to most of the people out there on TikTok.